I'm Prabhat Majumdar. I will share today's market update. Today, the trading at National Stock Exchange halted for nearly 4 hours starting at 11:40 am due to a technical glitch. Both exchanges decided to extend trading hours till 5 pm to cover for the loss of time. It was a critical session of trade, especially ahead of the expiry of February futures and option contracts tomorrow. It was observed that the NSE halted trading in the futures and option market at 11:40 am and the cash market at 11:43 am after the index price feed for several indices froze for several brokers. The trading resumed at 3:45 pm hours and ended at 5 pm hours. Analysts observed that technical glitch did not impact domestic market sentiment, though volatility was high with a positive prejudice in the first session. During the entire session, the market gathered more strength and hugely outperforming the global peers, triggered by squaring off F&O positions a day ahead of the prefixed monthly expiry date. It was seen that Nifty jumped quite sharply after reopening in the afternoon, hitting the psychological 15,000 mark today, and was led by short covering and was led by value buying in banks after the government allowed all private banks to participate in the government business. The Nifty formed a strong bullish candle on a daily scale and negated its formation of lower highs of the last 5 trading sessions. It was recorded that Nifty opened higher at 14,729, but the trading halted at 11:40 am due to a technical glitch. The trade reopened at 3:30 pm and the index hit an intraday high of 15,008, largely due to short covering before signing off the session at 14,982. With the twin momentum oscillators generating a buy signal after today's rally, our experts have advised positional traders to go long in the next session and look for an initial target of 15,271 levels. Analysts analyze that technically the market is in a consolidation zone between 15,000 to 14,600 levels, and due to unanticipated technical glitch at NSE appears to have led to short covering last hour of the session, which took the indices towards the higher end of the trading range with a strong bullish candle. The BSE Sensex rallied more than 1,000 points while the Nifty 50 index rose nearly 2%, forming a bullish candle on the daily charts after bearish candle in the previous 6 sessions. Experts largely feel the index is still in consolidation mode unless it shows strong closing above 15,000 mark in coming sessions. As bulls successfully defended the right technical support point placed around 14,600, positional traders can consider buying the dip with a stop below 14,700 levels on a closing basis, was suggested by experts. India VIX fell by almost 4%. Options data indicated that the Nifty could see an immediate trading range of 14,850 to 15,150 levels. On the options front, maximum put open interest was at 14,000 followed by 14,700 strike, while maximum call open interest was at 15,000 followed by 15,200 strike. Put writing was seen at 14,800 and 14,900 strikes, while call unwinding was seen at 14,900 and 15,000 strikes. Our experts saw that Nifty opened gap up at 35,205 and witnessed quick buying due to positive action in all the banking stocks. It made an intraday high of 36,567 and ended the day with massive gains of more than 1,335.35 points at 36,452.30. The Sensex closed 1,030 points higher at 50,781, while the Nifty jumped 274 points to 14,982. The BSE Mid Cap and Small Cap indices closed 0.77% and 1.08% higher respectively. Analysts predict that in the next trading session, which is also a monthly expiry, if bulls fail to register a close above 15,000 levels, then the trend shall continue to remain sideways, but bearishness will resume only on a close below 14,635 levels. However, a strong move beyond 15,000 levels shall expand the current upswing towards 15,271 levels. Thus, it can be viewed that a strong move beyond 15,000 may expand the current upswing towards 15,271. As bulls successfully defended the right technical support point placed around 14,600, positional traders can consider buying the dip with a stop below 14,700 levels on a closing basis. Today, Indian equities logged sharp gains in the last hours after trading resumed post a technical snag that halted trading on the National Stock Exchange. Gains were led by private bank stocks, which were boosted by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's statement that the private banks can now participate in government business. The government has lifted the embargo on private sector banks for the conduct of government-related banking transactions such as taxes and other revenue payment facilities, pension payments, small savings schemes, etc., said the government in its statement available on the Twitter handle of N. Sitharaman's office. Bank stocks hogged the limelight after the government lifted the embargo on grants of government business to private banks. Thus, observation led to that the Nifty has to continue to hold above 14,900 to extend its move towards 15,150 and then 15,250. On the downside, immediate support exists at 14,850 and 14,700 levels. Experts expect volatility to remain high on Thursday due to the scheduled derivatives expiry of February month contracts. They also added that it would be prudent to avoid naked leveraged positions in early trades and prefer hedged bets. As stated by Goldstone experts, traders should trade extremely cautiously with strict stop losses and should follow support and resistance levels on strict basis. Follow support and resistance levels along with trading call as published on our Telegram channel. For regular update, like, share and subscribe our YouTube and Telegram channel. Also follow us on Twitter and Instagram and also be a part of our Facebook family. Views by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.